Okay, everybody, so lately there has been a lot of more footage being shown for Jurassic World Rebirth, especially for the D-Rex, even though on my last green screen video I said I don't want any more spoilers for the D-Rex, but I couldn't help but watch it, and there's something that's been been bugging me on my mind lately about the D-Rex, and that is does the D-Rex have human DNA mixed in with it? In a way, I kinda do believe that this thing has human DNA, and I'm gonna tell you why for a few various of reasons. So the first reason why I think the D-Rex has human DNA mixed in with it is because for some of the trailers and for some of the spoilers that we get of it, when we get a good close look up at its jaw, the jaw looks pretty identical to a human's jaw. Like if you take a picture of the D-Rex's jaw and a skull from a human, you can clearly tell that both the jaws basically look the same almost, because the D-Rex's head almost looks like a human skull almost. Some people believe that it has a beluga whale head. I don't understand why they would think that though. My next reason on why I think the D-Rex has human DNA is take a good look at its extra arms that it has quickly. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's got human arms. If you take a picture of like a really muscular arm and put it next to this thing's arm, you can clearly tell there's a lot of similarities with the arms, especially the hands. The hands look like human hands. Because with one picture that I saw, the D-Rex's hand, it almost has like an index finger, a pinky finger, and a thumb. It's just missing the ring finger and the middle finger. And if we take a picture of our own hands and take away our ring finger and our middle finger, the fingers are going to look really identical. And now for my last reason why I think the D-Rex has human DNA is because with some of the footage and from trailer 2, the D-Rex is able to pick up humans with its extra hands. And just because the D-Rex is a mutated T-Rex, that clearly shouldn't mean that the thing is more intelligent. In my personal opinion, the D-Rex is a mutated T-Rex, which means mutated dinosaurs should be more dumb in my opinion. They shouldn't have that much intelligence. And the D-Rex would need like another kind of animal's DNA in order for it to be smart enough to pick up a human, but in my personal opinion, it has to have human DNA. Otherwise, it wouldn't be able to pick up a human, because we see that the D-Rex picks up a scientist with its hand and literally just drags the guy into the foggy cage that it's in, which is crazy. At the same time, it's creepy too. Like seeing this thing picking up a human, like that's kind of something that I would not like to see. Like just imagine this: you're running for your lives, and this thing is following you, and it picks you up with its hand. That I'd honestly just be scared. I wouldn't think of anything else. Just pure I'd just be straight up horrified. Honestly out of words. But yeah, those are the few reasons on why I believe that the D-Rex has human DNA. And another reason, which I forgot to mention earlier, is that with one of the recent posters of the D-Rex, it's shown that it's standing on just its hind legs and not with its extra arms. So this thing can probably either stand properly like a T-Rex or a human. But I seriously do think that this thing has human DNA. Please comment down below if you agree with this theory. And if there's any other theories or anything else that you would like me to talk about for Jurassic World Rebirth, then leave it down below in the comments and I'll do it. Alright, see you next time.